In this video, I will show you how to update Nvidia drivers in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to get started with this, what you're going to want to do from your desktop is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, type Nvidia app. If you don't have the Nvidia app, then you can actually download that just by opening up an internet browser, coming across to google.com and Google searching for the Nvidia app, just like so. And you want to click onto the top result. This is going to take you to the official website, nvidia.com. From here, you're going to see the download now button. So give that a click, then you can download and install the Nvidia app. So after doing that, again, come down to the search box, search for Nvidia app, and then open up the app underneath Best Match. Once the app has opened, you're going to see it looks like this. What you want to do is come over to the left-hand side and click onto drivers. Now this way you can come to see if there's any updates for your Nvidia drivers. For myself, you can see there's currently one, the GeForce Game Ready driver, and there's a download button here. Now also, if we come up to the top, you can see I'm on the Game Ready driver, but if we click this, we can also change to the Studio driver, if that's what you prefer to use. But whichever one you choose, just simply click the download button, and what it's going to do is start downloading and installing any updates for any drivers for the Nvidia drivers. So that's how to update Nvidia drivers on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.